Hello there, it's great to be with you. Hello there to you. Hello there, songs, rhymes and dancing too. Hello there to you. Hello everybody, thanks for joining us for our special Christmas rhyme time.
Yes, nice to see you again.
Yeah, it's
How
really
has
good
it
to be
been
here.
a year already?
Oh my goodness, that went fast, didn't it?
I know.
So we'll start off with our traditional opening. We say, we at the library would like to acknowledge the Turtle people.
The traditional custodians, and thank them for sharing this land.
We say, here is the land,
Here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I.
And we'll start it again with our welcome song.
Happy hands.
Yeah, we've got our happy hands ready, everybody. So we go, hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Okay, we've got a special Christmas rhyme time for you.
Do lots of
Wearing our very Christmassy shirts and our very Christmassy hats.
yes.
So we
Some
hope
nice
that
new songs.
We've got some very nice new songs. We hope you'll sing along with us. There's some traditional ones and some new ones that you'll be able to learn very easily.
Lots
So we
of
do
fun.
some tickling to start with, the way we always start our rhyme time. So we go our toes, the nose, the tummy where the watermelon goes, arms go high to start with.
If I remember.
Are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3.
A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose,
a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low,
a great big hug to say hello.
Who doesn't like a hug?
Yes, who doesn't like Christmas?
Oh, Christmas is Jess's favourite time of the year.
It is.
So we're going to start off with, he has a red coat.
Who do you think might have a red
Oh,
red
somebody special. So are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3. He has a red coat and a red hat. His boots are black and he carries a sack. He has a twinkle in his eye and a great big smile, and his name is Santa Claus. He has a red coat and a red hat. His boots are black and he carries a sack. He has a twinkle in his eye and a friendly smile, and his name is Santa Claus. What's his name? His name is Santa Claus. Yay! Now we all know who it is.
Yes. And where does he go?
Well, I think he's coming to town very soon.
Oh, he might already be here in some respects.
So we're going to sing Here Comes Santa Claus.
Yes.
You ready for that?
Oh, I think so.
I think everybody might know this one and they can join in.
Yep.
Okay, we ready? We go 1, 2, 3 and we sing.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer are pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and go to sleep, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for the boys and girls again. Hear the sleigh bells jingle, jangle, what a beautiful sight. Jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Wow, that was a mouthful there.
Yes, he's our busy man.
Yes. Well, it's not exactly tonight, but it depends on when you're listening. It could be tonight, or tomorrow,
Or it could have been yesterday.
or yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, but tonight sounds good. Okay, so this is just a little rhyme, and we use our hand and our thumb, tuck your thumb in, and we've got a lid. So we say, here is the chimney, here is the top. Open the lid, and Santa will pop. Now that was pretty easy, so how about we do one with Rudolph on the other side?
Sounds good.
Sound all right? So we've got our chimney, we've got our lid. Ready? Here is the chimney, here is the top. Open the lid, and Rudolph will pop. So we've got Santa, we've got Rudolph. We say hello.
Be a bit of a tight squeeze with all his hooves. The antlers.
So a bit of a tight squeeze in the chimney, you think?
I think so.
Oh, what about poor old Santa? How many cookies has he had?
Well, he gets cookies everywhere.
Cookies and milk, gingerbread, all those fun things.
All the yummy stuff.
What would happen if he got stuck?
All the reindeer would have to pull him out.
Oh dear. So shall we do poor old Santa?
I think so.
So we go, poor old Santa, he got stuck, coming down the chimney, what bad luck, what bad luck. Now that's an easy one. I think everybody can do that
I
one
think
with
so,
us.
yep.
So you ready to have a go? Let's go. Poor old Santa, he got stuck, he got stuck. Coming down the chimney, coming down the chimney. What bad luck, what bad luck. Poor old Santa, he wouldn't be very happy, would he?
No. He might sneeze his way out.
Oh, achoo.
Yeah, there's a book about that.
Oh, we'll have to find that one and read it for everyone. Okay, so this one's about ringing bells. Oh, you had something prepared earlier.
I do.
Here's
If
mine.
you have bells at home, you can join in too.
These are going to be very loud, so bear with us on this one. So you ready? We're going to sing Ring Those Bells. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ring those bells and stomp your feet.
Ring those bells and stomp your feet. Ring those bells and stomp your feet. Christmas time is here. Ring those bells and turn around. Ring those bells and turn around. Ring those bells and turn around. Christmas time is here. Ring those bells and jump up high. Ring those bells and jump up high. Ring those bells and jump up high. Christmas time is here. That was an easy one too.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice
You'll be
and
able to
noisy
practice
Christmas.
that one.
Yes, practice it at home with shakers. Forgive us, parents.
You'll love it.
Yes.
Trust me.
Yes.
So we've got a Christmas tree.
Oh, what do we put on our Christmas trees? Well, what we got on our Christmas tree?
Lots of things there, but I know what other people put on that I have seen. Candy canes.
Ooh, yummy candy canes.
Do we love candy canes?
like candy
think everybody loves candy canes.
Yes.
Do you like peppermint ones?
Yes, peppermint's my
Yeah.
favourite.
There we go. So way up high in the Christmas tree, guess what there is?
Candy canes.
2 little candy canes. Yeah.
Whoa.
Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Way up high on the Christmas tree, 2 little candy canes winked at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down dropped those candy canes. Good.
They won't last long if they drop down.
That's an easy one. We'll do that one again and we'll get you to come along with us. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Way up high on the Christmas tree, 2 little candy canes winked at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could. And down dropped those candy canes. Good.
Oh,
That was fun.
yes, I like that one.
We do like candy canes. So Santa Claus, what's happening with Santa Claus?
Well, he's always busy.
He's always busy.
He's got to make all the stuff for all the boys and girls.
All the boys and girls. That's a lot of stuff.
It is a lot of
It
stuff.
is a lot of stuff. So we're going to sing another song about Santa Claus, and it's sung to the tune of Are You Sleeping? Sorry about that. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we go Santa Claus, ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Where is Santa? Where is Santa? I don't know. I don't know. He's at the North Pole, he's at the North Pole, making toys for all the boys and girls, for all the boys and girls who've been good, who've been good. Just remember, you've got to be good.
Listen to Mum and Dad, Grandma, whoever you're with.
Oh dear. So, who else is involved here?
Well, Santa couldn't get very far without his reindeer because they help him get to places.
I do. So how many reindeer does he normally have?
It's 8, right?
8. Yes, it's 8. So shall we count to 8? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. So you ready to go with this one?
Yes.
We go 1, 2, 3, and we go
8 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled.
2 fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 6 little reindeer pull my sled?" Do you think they can do it?
Hopefully.
It might be a heavy sled with all those toys.
Well, I think it'll be a very heavy sled.
Okay, so how many have we got? We've got 6. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. 2 fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 4 little reindeer pull my sled?" 4 left. Oh dear.
Hopefully they ate their oats.
So should we count them? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. 4 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. 2 fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 2 little reindeer pull my sled?" 2.
Oh, I feel sorry for those 2 reindeer.
Oh goodness me, they've got a job ahead of
They
them.
do.
Are you ready? Let's try this. 2 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. They fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Call Rudolph!" Yay! Rudolph
can solve everything.
saves the day again.
Always.
Oh, we do love Rudolph.
Yes.
Oh dear, but we're not going to sing about Rudolph this time.
No?
we're going to sing about little elves.
Oh, they do help Santa too.
They do, and sometimes they go for a ride in the sleigh.
Ah.
They do.
They do. Does the sleigh have seatbelts?
I hope so. So let's find out. There's going to be 5.
5.
We count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 4 little elves fell in the snow. He must have given them a fright. Poor little things.
Oh, they'd be all wet and cold.
Do you think they should try again?
I think so.
So we go. 4 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho,
And
3 little elves fell in the snow.
Oh no.
Oh no, chilly.
Yeah.
How many have we got left?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 3 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho. And
2
one,
little elves
2 fell in the snow. Oh my goodness. One got pushed out. So we got 2 in the snow. How many in the sled?
3, I think.
Oh, 3 in the sled, 2 in the snow. So 2 left. Ready?
Yep.
We go. 2 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho. And 1 little elf went in the snow. Oh.
Must be that wet. He's just slipping right out.
I'm sure he's had enough. Do you think he'll give it one more try?
I think so.
Okay, let's go. 1 little elf went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho. And all of the 5 little elves said, go! Yay, they all stayed in. Must have been those seatbelts.
Safety first.
Safety first. Got to keep those elves safe.
Yeah.
They're the ones that are distributing all the toys.
Exactly.
Okay. Put him in the sack for Santa. We want to keep them nice and safe. So how about some dancing?
I like dancing.
You like dancing. So who should be dancing today?
Well, if it's Christmas, it's only fair that Santa and the reindeer get to dance after all their
Santa
hard
and the
work.
reindeer. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Party time at the North Pole.
Better put my balance down or I'll fall down.
So are we ready to start?
Sounds
We
good.
go 1, 2, 3 and we sing. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love turning round. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that reindeer nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that reindeer nice and tight. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love turning round. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love to boogie down. Yay! I think we like to boogie down just as much as Santa and the reindeer.
We do. Now, we have a very special Christmas version of your favourite song.
My favourite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
This one is Twinkle, Twinkle, Christmas Star.
Oh, I like that idea.
Yeah.
So, where is the star?
Up on the Christmas tree.
High on the tree? That's a good one. Okay, so you're going to sing this one with us? It's pretty easy to get the words once you've done it. We'll do it first, and then you can do it again with us. Are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3, and we sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are, shining bright for all to see, on the top of your tree. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are.
So that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, so you want to join us and have a go at that one? Let's go 1, 2, 3.
Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are, shining bright for all to see, on the top of our tree. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are.
I think I had a twinkle crinkle then.
Whatever works.
It's all good.
It is.
It's all good. The children don't mind. You can make words up. They don't mind.
Exactly.
Just sing and have fun with it. Make up silly rhymes every day. Have a bit of fun with your children. It all adds to their early literacy skills. And this is the perfect time for being a little bit silly.
Yes, and they love it.
Yes, they do. Yeah. So we've got another reindeer song.
We do. And snowman.
Snowman. Who else?
Santa.
Oh,
Of course.
everybody, all the important people.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to sing Hello Reindeer. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and we sing
Hello reindeer, hello snowman, hello Santa, happy holidays.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's sing it once again. You ready? Hello, reindeer. Hello, snowman. Hello, Santa. Happy holidays. And we finish with, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That was lovely.
It was.
That was over way too soon.
I know. That's because we have lots of fun.
Lots and lots of fun. So from everyone here at Moreton Bay Libraries, we would like to wish everyone a very safe and happy holidays.
Yes.
We hope you really enjoy the festive season and spend it with family and friends and have a wonderful time.
And we look forward to seeing you again in the new year, either online or in the branch. Come and visit us. We love to see everyone.
You can see we have fun with it, and we hope you are too.
Yes.
Are you ready so we can sing our goodbye song?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I know, but it's only for a little while.
Okay, for a while. Okay, you ready? We
Yes.
go 1, 2, 3 and we sing. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas.
See you soon.